Okay, students, now we are in class number 21, and right now we are evaluating integrals using integration by parts formula. And integration by parts formula is mainly applied to calculate integration of product of two functions. So let's continue problems based on integration by parts. The formula says that integration of first function into second function is equal to first function as it is into integration of second function minus integration of followed by differentiation of first function into integration of second function. So let's continue problems based on integration by parts. And also in the last class we have seen, in case of integration by parts, we need to choose first function very properly given by the rule isolate. Means maximum number of times we are going to select first function by this scheme. I means inverse function, L means logarithmic function, A is algebraic function, T is trigonometric function, E is exponential function. So we have to give the preference in that order. Sometimes, that's very rare, minimum times, we are going to take any one first function, any one second function, not using that rule. Continue. Let's continue questions. Evaluate. I wrote the question number, please maintain it. Maybe server it. You please maintain it. Evaluate integration of x into cot square x dx. X into cot square x dx. First step, start I. Let I equal to integration of x into cot square x dx. Before applying integration by parts, you think of correctly whether directly integration of cot square x is available or not. We don't have. We have integration of cosec square x, but not cot square x. So better we convert cot square in terms of cosec square. We know that 1 plus cot square a equals to cosec square a. From this, cot square a becomes cosec square a minus 1. Hence, I equal to integration. X into cot square x means cosec square x minus 1. Now we open the bracket from x. After opening bracket from x, we will get how many terms? 2 terms. Thereby, we will get 2 integrations. First one, integration of x into cosec square x dx minus x into 1 is x. Now we can bifurcate 2 integrations. So let's make 2 integrals. First one, integration of x into cosec square x minus next one, integration of x dx. Here we shall apply integration by parts. First function x, second function cosec square x. Applying integration by parts. First function x as it is into integration of cosec square x minus integration of, next will be differentiation of first function, that is differentiation of x into integration of second function means integration of cosec square x dx. This is all using integration by parts in the first integration. We have another integration separately. What that is x, integration of x is x square by 2. You can add constant now only, or you can add constant at the end. It does not make any difference. X in it. Integration of cosec square x is minus cot x. Minus differentiation of x is 1 left out into integration of cosec square x is minus cot x. Minus x square by 2 remains same. You can add constant now plus finally I equal to minus x into cot x. Here minus will be plus integration of cot x dx. Minus x square by 2 plus a. So I equal to minus x into cot x plus from earlier classes integration of cot x is log of sin x. Minus x square by 2 plus c. That's the final answer. I hope you are understanding the problem solving method. Next problem. Next problem, evaluate integration. Evaluate integration of x square into sin x dx. Take I. Let I equal to integration of x square into sin x dx. Let us apply integration by parts because of a product of two functions. Means first function as exclusively x square, second function as sin x. Let's apply integration by parts. That word you write as applying integration by parts. First function x square as it is into integration of sin x minus integration of differentiation of first function, that is differentiation of x square into integration of sin x dx. Further, x square into integration of sin x is minus cos x minus integration of differentiation of x square is 2x into integration of sin x is minus cos x dx. Here plus into minus is minus, that is I equal to minus x square into cos x. Minus into minus plus 2 will be kept outside the integration, plus 2 into integration of x cos x dx. Here again there is a product of functions. We again apply integration by parts. It's first function x, second function cos x. Let's apply once again integration by parts. Hence I equal to minus x square into cos x plus 2 into bracket. Using once again by parts. First function x as it is into integration of cos x minus integration of differentiation of x into integration of cos x. I equal to minus x square into cos x plus 2 into bracket x into integration of cos x will be sin x minus integration of differentiation of x is 1 left out, integration of cos x is sin x. Hence I equals to finally minus x square cos x plus 2 into bracket x sin x. Integration of sin x will be minus cos x, minus into minus will be plus cos x plus next question. Find or evaluate integration of sin root x dx. Take I. Let I equal to integration of sin root x dx. Call 1. In this problem, before we apply substitution, before we apply integration by parts, we apply substitution method. Put root x equal to t. Root x equal to t equal is same as squaring on both sides. X equal to t square. Differentiate dx by dt equal to 2t, because differentiation of t square is 2t or only dx is 2t dt. So now integration 1 changes. Therefore now 1 changes to I is equal to integration sin of root x becomes sin of t, dx becomes 2t dt. Two outside, 2 into integration of t sin t dt. Here we need to apply integration by parts. First function t, second function sin t. Let's apply integration by parts. But here variable is t, keep that in mind. I equals to 2 into first function t as it is into integration of sin t dt. Minus integration of next differentiation of first function, that means differentiation of t with respect to t, d by dt of t into integration of sin t dt. Integration of sin t will be minus cos t total become minus t cos t minus integration of differentiation of t is 1, here 1, into integration of sin t will be minus cos t, total 1 into minus cos t. That is equals to 2 into bracket minus t cos t minus minus plus integration of cos t dt. And lastly, how much integration of cos t, that is sin t, hence I equals to 2 into minus t cos t plus sin t plus c, but we need to replace back value of t. What is t value? Root x. Since t is root x, we need to replace it back. I equals to 2 into bracket minus root x into cos of root x plus sin of root x plus c. Next problem. Find or evaluate. Find integration of sin inverse x dx. Solution. Begin with I. Let I equal to integration of sin inverse x dx. Right now we don't have product of two terms, so we shall make adjustment to get product of two functions like this. Sin inverse x into written as 1 prepared, so that we have product of two functions, but keeping in mind whenever inverse function comes, that should be always first function. Now take first function as sin inverse x, second function as 1. Let us apply integration by parts. On applying integration by parts, first function sin inverse x as it is into integration of 1 dx minus integration of differentiation of first function, that is differentiation of sin inverse x into integration of 1 dx. I equals to sin inverse x into integration of 1 dx is x minus integration of differentiation of sin inverse x is 1 by root of 1 minus x square into integration of 1 dx is x. Further, I equals to x into sin inverse x, and I will take minus sign, insert integration, you will come to know y, make it as plus integration minus x divided by root of 1 minus x square. And observe, differentiation of 1 minus x square is minus 2x. So let us multiply and divide by 2. I equals to x into sin inverse of x plus 1 by 2 is brought extra into integration minus 2x by root of 1 minus x square dx. What is integration we got? It is in the form f dash x divided by root of f of x. It is just like integration of f dash x by root of f of x, whose answer will be 2 root of f of x. So now I equals to x into sin inverse x plus 1 by 2. It is in the form of f dash x by root fx, 2 root of fx, that is 2 root of 1 minus x square plus c. 2 to cancels. Finally, I equals to x into sin inverse x plus root of 1 minus x square. And importantly, what is we got? It will be just like a formula for, now it is a formula for integration of sin inverse x. Try to keep in memory, whenever you get in future classes, it can be used as direct formula. Now onwards, integration of sin inverse x can be taken as x into sin inverse x plus root of 1 minus x square. Next problem. Find or evaluate. Find integration of cot inverse x inverse. First step, take I. Let I equal to given integration problem. Next up, we shall write given problem as cot inverse x into 1, so that we can apply integration by parts with first function as cot inverse x, second function as 1. Let us apply integration by parts. First function cot inverse x as it is into integration of 1 dx minus integration of differentiation of first function, that is differentiation of cot inverse x into integration of 1 dx. That is equals to cot inverse x into integration of 1 dx is x minus integration of differentiation of cot inverse x is minus 1 by 1 plus x square into integration of 1 dx is x. So I equals to x into cot inverse x. Here minus into minus plus integration x divided by 1 plus x square dx. And here differentiation of 1 plus x square is 2x. So we shall multiply and divide by 2 in this integration. I equals to x into cot inverse x plus 1 by 2 into integration 2x by 1 plus x square. Now this is in the form integration of f dash x divided by f of x dx, whose answer is log of f of x. So finally, I equal to x into cot inverse x plus 1 by 2. Now this is just like in the format of integration, f dash x by f of x, log of f of x means log of 1 plus x square plus c. Next problem. Find or evaluate. Evaluate integration of secant inverse x dx. Take I. Let I equal to integration of secant inverse x and write it as secant inverse x into 1 dx. Let us apply integration by parts. With first function sec inverse x, second function as 1 and applying integration by parts. On applying integration by parts, first function sec inverse x as it is into integration of 1 dx minus integration of differentiation of sec inverse x into integration of 1 dx. I equals to sec inverse x into how much integration of 1 dx? X minus integration of differentiation of sec inverse x by the earlier formulas 1 by x into square root of x square minus 1 into integration of 1 dx is x. Further, I equals to x into secant inverse x minus integration. Here x will cancel out. Left is integration of dx by root of x square minus 1 or root of x square minus 1 square. And now this is our one of the 6 standard integration type. It is just like in the form of integration dx by root of x square minus a square. Recall your memory for this answer is log of x plus root of x square minus a square. This is from one of the 6 standard integration formulas. So finally, I equal to x into sec inverse x minus. It is just like integration dx by root x square minus a square, answer log of x plus root x square minus 1. Actually 1 square, but 1 square is 1 plus. Next question. Under integration by parts, find or evaluate. Evaluate integration of x into cosec inverse x dx. X multiplied with cosec inverse x dx. Take I and write first compulsorily cosec inverse x, then write x. Let's apply integration by parts with first function as cosec inverse x, second function as x, using integration by parts. That sentence you write stating that using integration by parts. So let's write according to by parts scheme. First function cosec inverse x as it is into integration of x dx minus integration of, next what, differentiation of first function, that is differentiation of cosec inverse x into integration of x dx. Further I equal to cosec inverse x into integration of x means x square by 2 minus integration of, from a topic differentiation we know that differentiation of cosec inverse x formula is minus 1 by x root x square minus 1. Into integration of x is x square by 2. Equal to x square by 2 into cosec inverse x. Here minus and minus plus 1 x term will cancel out. What that left is that 1 by 2 into integration x divided by root of x square minus 1. Like in the earlier case, it can be made in the form of f dash x by root of f of x. For that we shall multiply and divide by 2. I equals to x square by 2 into cosec inverse x plus 1 by 2. Bring extra 1 by 2 into 2x by root of x square minus 1. I equals to x square by 2 into cosec inverse x plus 1 by 2 into 1 by 2. This integration is in the form of integration of f dash x by root of f of x, whose formula is 2 root of f of x, that is 2 root of x square minus 1 plus c. Lastly here 2 will cancel out. So finally leftover answer is x square by 2 into cosec inverse x plus 1 by 2 root of x square minus 1 plus c. Next problem. Actually here we will get more number of problems. How much I am solving, that's more sufficient. You have to practice yourself in more. Next problem. Find or evaluate. Find integration x into tan inverse x dx. I equals to, first write the function tan inverse x, then write x dx. Let us use integration by parts with first function as tan inverse x, second function as x. Let us apply integration by parts. First function tan inverse x as it is into integration of x dx minus integration of differentiation of tan inverse x into integration of x dx. That means tan inverse x into integration of x is x square by 2 minus integration of differentiation of tan inverse x is 1 by 1 plus x square. Integration of x is x square by 2. So I equals to x square by 2 into tan inverse x minus integration of 1 by 2, keep outside because it is constant, 1 by 2 integration x square by 1 plus x square dx. Such kind of problems we done in type 1, we shall add 1, subtract 1 in numerator, so that 1 plus x square can be cancelled. I equal to x square by 2 tan inverse x minus 1 by 2 integration. In the numerator, we add 1, subtract 1. 1 plus x square minus 1 divided by 1 plus x square. Write the reference that adding 1, subtracting 1 in numerator. Adding, subtracting 1 in the numerator. Further, I equal to x square by 2 into tan inverse x minus 1 by 2 integration. We shall separate the terms. First separation, 1 plus x square by 1 plus x square. Second one, 1 divided by 1 plus x square. That is I equal to x square by 2 into tan inverse x minus 1 by 2 bracket. Here 1 plus x square cancel, that is integration of 1 dx. Next one minus integration of 1 by 1 plus x square dx. Finally, x square by 2 into tan inverse x minus 1 by 2 into bracket. Integration of 1 dx is x, whereas integration of 1 by 1 plus x square is how much? Its standard formula is tan inverse of x. Total x minus tan inverse x plus c. Next problem. Evaluate or find integration of x square into log x dx. Observe, what is x square? Algebraic function. Log x is logarithmic function. So we must take compulsorily first function log x, second function x square. I integration, rewrite. First log x, then x square dx. Let's apply integration by parts with first function as log x, second function as x square. Applying integration by parts. On applying integration by parts, first function log x as it is into integration of x square dx minus integration followed by differentiation of first function, that is differentiation of log x into integration of x square dx. Log x into, what is integration of x square? X cube by 3 minus integration. Here differentiation of log x is 1 by x. Integration of x square is x cube by 3. So I equal to x cube by 3 log x minus 1 by 3. Here an x will cancel out x square. That is I equals to x cube by 3 log x minus 1 by 3 into integration of x square means how much? X cube by 3 plus c. And this 3 into 3 written as 9. I equals to x cube by 3 log x minus x cube by 9 plus c. Next problem, under integration by parts. I hope you are maintaining number of problems, maybe 20, 21, 22, whichever. I will not bother about that, but you please maintain that the number of problems. Next question, find or evaluate. Evaluate integration of x into log 2x dx. Log 2x dx. First step I, and write first log 2x, then write into x. Let us apply integration by parts. Its first function log 2x, second function x. Let's apply integration by parts. First function log 2x as it is into integration of x minus integration of, followed by differentiation of log 2x into integration of x. I equals to log 2x into integration of x is how much? X square by 2 minus integration of differentiation of log 2x is 1 by 2x. Not only 1 by 2x into differentiation of 2x is 2. That's very important here. Multiplied by integration of x is x square by 2. 2 will cancel out. Along with x also cancel out. Hence, I equal to x square by 2 log 2x minus 1 by 2 into integration of x dx. I equals to x square by 2 log 2x and what is integration of x? X square by 2, x square by 2 and into 1 by 2, total become 1 by 4, means x square by 4 plus next question. One more question of this period actually. Still we have some more questions in the next class. Next class number 22. One more under this class. Find or evaluate integration x into cos inverse x divided by root of 1 minus x square dx. First step I. Next step directly we don't apply integration by parts. Can be applied, but for the sake of easier we shall take substitution. Because of root of a square minus x square, what did say table put x equal to sin theta, and because of presence of cos inverse x, we shall put better x equal to cos theta. You can put x equal to sin theta also, no wrong in that, you will get last answer same. So I put here x equal to cos theta or cos t. Put x equal to cos theta. Implies theta equal to how much? Cos inverse x. This expression we shall differentiate. Dx by d theta equals to minus sin theta d theta. In fact, minus sin theta. Or only dx equal to minus sin theta d theta. So which I am underlining, means highlighting, using these highlighted terms in integration I becomes x. What is x? Cos theta. What is cos inverse x? Theta. By root of 1 minus cos square theta into dx value is minus sin theta d theta. I equals to integration, minus can be kept outside, minus of theta, cos theta, sin theta, all divided by square root of 1 minus cos square theta means how much? Sin square theta. But root sin square theta is sin theta. So that sin theta will cancel out because root sin square theta is sin theta. I equals to minus of integration theta cos theta. What we have? Integration of product of two functions. Let's apply integration by parts. First function theta, second function cos theta. In this one problem, I will write directly integration by parts scheme because now we solve more number of problems. What says first function theta as it is into integration of cos theta is sin theta minus integration of differentiation of theta is 1 left out, integration of cos theta is sin theta. Finally, minus of theta sin theta, integration of sin theta is minus cos theta minus of minus plus cos theta plus c. Replace back value of theta. Now replacing theta value back properly, including the cos theta value. What is cos theta value? Cos theta value is x. So now I equal to minus. What is theta? Cos inverse of x. And importantly, sin theta. Sin theta is defined by root of 1 minus cos square theta. But what is cos theta? X. So it becomes cos inverse x into root of 1 minus x square plus cos theta. What is cos theta? Cos theta means x plus. That's the final answer. Still we have some more questions. We shall meet in the next class. Thank you.